Hi, welcome to Staying Dignified with Edith. My name is Edith Olaide Olale. I welcome you to this channel today because we'll be discussing on something that will bring money into your accounts. Today I'll be discussing with you the businesses you can do with just 30,000 naira. Yes, I know you might be like, 30,000 naira. Just calm down, hear me out. Yes, don't be shocked. Stay right there. I'll be right back. Before I go into the businesses, I want to tell you, if you know you're not the type that can be consistent, you're not the type that can really advertise your business, that you're shy to go to people that this is what you're doing, then this video is not for you. But if you are the kind of person that you don't mind to tell people that this is what you're doing, this is what you're into, they can even like check it out. Stay right here. This business is for you. And if you have someone that is really struggling financially, you can send this video to them. If they are ready to do it, send this video to them. The first on my list is drink business, especially tiger nut and zobo drink. If you check what they used to do, the Zobo and the Tiger and browse on it, just buy it. Get clean container. You can buy even if it's just 1 dozen to start. Buy it. Make it at least. Focus on the quality. There are many people doing that business. So focus on the quality. Let there be something distinct about yours in your drink business that is different from others. That when there are several options, you will be the one to come to their mind. There's one woman I know in Ogun State. She sells Zobo. There is something in a Zobo that tastes differently. And I know someone also in Abuja that sells Zobo and Tiger Nuts. I've tasted several Tiger Nuts, but ours is still the best I've tasted so far. So get that secret. There are many things you can add to it that will be different from other things, but please focus on quality. The second on my list is snacks business. Get everything you need, do the snacks. If you don't have the industrial oven, if you don't have oven yet, go for the one that you don't need oven. And there are some snacks, there's a way you will bake them that will still look as if you use oven while you're using stove and pots. So get more details on that. I'm just sharing the business ideas with you. I won't share with you ways to really do it. The reason why I'm not doing that is if you're really interested, you will find ways that you can do it. Don't stop this video. You might be saying you're not cut out for eatable things. No problem. Just calm down. But before I go into the next one, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, please do right now. Like this comment and also share with others. The third one is second-hand things, decluttering. Many people are relocating, jack buying syndrome. So why they are relocating, they cannot pack everything they have in their house to abroad. Of course not. So you can get to know them. I know it's not everybody that really likes to talk to about this is what I want to do, where I'm going. But you can just post it on your social media in case they want to declutter, you are into it. And make sure you're reliable. Have your rules. Let the buyers meet the seller, and the buyers must check what they want within the stipulated time frame. The fourth one is oil perfume. You can get there are many perfume. People, you know something about looking wonderful. Looking good is actually a good business. And smelling nice is also a good business. I know many people selling perfumes. So you can also get that. Get the ones you can afford at the moment. Sell it, add yours, sell it to people. Then by doing that, the more you get, you might start with even 5 or 6 or 10. Yes, we have different levels. And from there, the more you sell, the more you get what you want. So you can do oil perfume business. The fifth one is cleaning business. I've mentioned this is in one of my few videos. If you check, I did videos on businesses you can do with little savings, little or no money. So you can check more videos on that. There are many people that are, I won't say they're lazy, but they because of the work, you don't have time to do some other things. So you can walk up to them to do the cleaning for them. And it's not necessarily only you. You might not be the one doing the cleaning. You might actually employ people. Maybe out of the 40, 50,000 naira per month that they will pay, you might pay those people certain amount. So, and you still have, it's not necessarily you'll be the one to do the cleaning. And you can do the cleaning if you want to. But doing cleaning business also is a lucrative business. There are some offices, some estates. You can just talk to the management and make it easy for you. That's it. You don't have to start with having a vacuum cleaner, just normal soap, broom, and all. Start with that. You might not necessarily use your own cleaning equipment, but you can use those of the people you are rendering the service for. And the last on my list is tutoring business. These days, there are many people that can tutor people, tutor your children. That is why your education is not calm. It can be online and one-on-one. Book service with them. What time can I tutor your kids? It's not limited to education alone. You might tutor people on dance. You might tutor people on many other things. The skills you have, you can tutor others. You can teach them. Let them learn from you. But before someone can learn from you, that means you are also good. It can be in pronunciation. It can be vocabulary. It can be many other things that you can tutor people. So tutoring business is also something that is really selling now. You can even charge per hour, per day, per month, depending on you. So these are the business I've listed, and I'm sure you can pick one or two. You can even share with people. But there is something I want you to know. Integrity sells in business. Mouth to mouth advertisement goes a long way. So don't spoil yourself with little things. If you are doing business, eatable business, don't because of quantity disrupt the quality. If you are doing cleaning business, don't employ people that will steal. Make sure you search them before they start the job. And make sure what they are wearing does not even have pockets. Please be careful. Don't allow someone or something or greed to spoil your business. And having a business does not mean you will have to, the money will start coming every time. There might be ups and downs, but I want you to know that with consistency, you can actually go far. And also, don't spend your profits. Yes, I know I'm not talking about capital now. Of course, a wise person will not spend their capital. Don't spend your profits immediately. Reinvest it in the business so the business will grow. In your profits, maybe in 100% profits, you can pay yourself 10%. At least it will motivate you. But please reinvest the rest so the business will grow. Only a foolish person will spend their business money. Let your business grow. Your business money is not money that you will use to take care of people. Be wise. And until next video, remember to stay dignified.